జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. You all will realize that this 14-year vanavasam is going to give huge benefits to the entire universe. Oh Maharshis, now you all will realize that how powerful we are. You all will witness how strong and how great valor myself and my brother has. Pashyantu viryam sabhratur me. We will show you how great, how powerful we are, and we will kill all these rakshasas. Like that, Sri Ramachandra Swami gave assurance to all the Maharshis, and from there he is now moving forward to go to Sutikshna Maharshi Ashramam. Sitarama Lakshmana, after they spoke with all the Maharshis, and from there Sitarama Lakshmana heading towards Sutikshna Maharshi Ashramam. Sutikshnasya Ashrama Padam Jagama. They are heading towards that ashramam. They walked so long. They crossed Ganga, and they have seen such a huge mountain. They crossed that mountain. They are now entering into a dense forest, very thick forest. From a distance, they are now noticing there is one ashramam, Chiramala Parishkrutam. In that ashramam, they are getting to see all the Naravastras here and there. And they are now walking towards that ashramam. Now they are getting to see Sutikshna Maharshi in that ashramam. How is he looking? How is that Maharshi looking? Malapankajatadharam. All over his body is very much dust is there. And Jatadharam, matted hair. Vruddham, he is so old. Such Sutikshna Maharshi. Now Sita Rama Lakshmana have gone to him, did namaskaram to him, and now they are introducing themselves to Sutikshna Maharshi. Ramachandra Swami saying that, "Oh Maharshi, Ramohamasmi Bhagavan. I am Rama, I came to see you. Bhavantam drashtum agataha. I came to have your darshanam. Please bless me." Like that Sri Ramachandra Swami saying to Sutikshna Maharshi. Until then, Sutikshna Maharshi was in a closed eyes. He was not looking at anyone. Now after hearing Ramachandra Swami's words, Sutikshna Maharshi opened his eyes. And all of a sudden, he has taken Sri Ramachandra Swami very close to him and Samaslishyacha Bahubhyam, with his two hands hugged Ramachandra Swami very tightly. And then Sutikshna Maharshi saying that, "Oh Rama, Swagatam Khalute Veera. Welcome Rama. Oh Viruda. Oh my dear great strong person Raghava, I hereby welcoming you very, very fondly. Oh Rama, after you came here, I am now feeling so happy. You are our protector. That is why Rama, Pratikshamanaha Tvameva. I have been waiting for you, Rama. I came to know when you came to Chitrakutam, I immediately got that news that you are in Chitrakutam. Now I have been just waiting for you. In these days only, Indra also came to me. Indra came to me to tell me that with my tapasya, I have earned Sarvan Lokan Jitan. I have earned all the worlds. To give that message, Indra also came down here, but I told him that I am not going to go to Swargam now because I have to have Sri Ramachandra Swami darshanam. I have to wait until he comes to me. That is what I told Indra also. Oh Rama, I feel now so much happy and I feel that we are all protected. Like this, Sutikshna Maharshi saying to Sri Ramachandra Swami, while meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.